It's summertime and you have two ways to wear your hair. One's in a bun and the second is in a bun. There you go. And Brenda D'Usseaux is here with us to give us tips on how to wear that summer hair, especially when you're out and about doing some activities and doing different things. And as I said, buns and buns. That's all I really see sometimes.
I know you like your buns. I know you like your buns. So I'm going to show a bun. The hot girls summer walking. This is what we're going to talk about, right, Christina? One of my great models. But I know you love your buns, so we're going to show you. But I'm going to talk about really first a little fastener, these little kind of old telephone cord coil kind of things. I love these because they're real gentle on the hair, and you can put your hair up in any way, especially for a bun. It sort of makes it hold. And a little hack with those is when they start to stretch out too much, because they will, just throw them in cold water and they'll contract back to their original shape.
Oh, wow.
And then you can reuse them again too.
So, okay, so you're saying those are good. So, okay, we're talking about buns.
Yes.
And so we have our young model down here because they're like, there's a couple of different buns that I didn't know. There's the man bun, I know that much.
Yes.
But then there is...
Well, you can do a top knot.
Okay.
You can do one behind at the nape of the area here. Right. You could come around to the side and do it. The point of it is...
And then also the one where they use the sock. What's that one called?
A sock bun.
Okay, there, see?
Nothing gets by you.
Nothing at all. That's it right there.
Yeah, so,
a lot of TikTok and Instagramming
well,
reels.
Yeah, well, you got kids, you know.
Yeah.
TikTok, 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 TikTok.
There you go.
So a couple of products that you want to always have on hand too as well. One is like a dry shampoo, a little hairspray, heat protectant from the sun. I just always say a little lotion for the hands and the face, and then you also have these kind of shields and serums for shine and all that kind of stuff. But I want to show you.
Wait, don't jump over this one, because something you mentioned very, very important here.
Yes.
And that is, of course, to protect you from the sun. Because some people think, okay, I have my hair, it's going to protect me, it's going to be fine.
Yeah.
But we got to actually protect our hair.
Right. Well, we have all these hats here. You can see that normally here in Phoenix, because it's so hot, we use hats to protect ourselves. But if you're doing late night or early morning when it's not so hot, you don't want to wear the hats. You still want to add some kind of protection to it. It's like a barrier, and you have so many varieties of different kinds of ones. So here, if you want to look at this, you can. You have a couple of different ones. Some add shine and protection. Some just add protection and strength. And then you have some over here that's a actual serum that's real kind of liquidy. You can put it on for a ton of shine, and then just literally will reflect the sun. And you're always going to want to look for the full spectrum, UVA and UVB, in all your products. So that's going to give you the most protection against the sun.
Got it. There you go. Okay, so we're going to show a bun in just a moment, but we want to talk about this hot girl summer walk that goes
Christina?
on.
Yes.
And this is kind of interesting. So this is a meetup where they meet up, pretty much, and it started right here because where it's hot out here.
Yeah.
But it's almost like a fashion show in a way, especially when it comes to doing your hair, your makeup, and everything. But it's also a great way that they're getting together and socializing and making each other pretty much accountable to getting out there and walking and being healthy, right?
Yeah, and most of the girls are wearing their hair back, although some wear it down. But I want to emphasize the buns, the braids, the ponies, because those are going to be the three most popular. And as you can see with like Christina, we did 2 braids and not necessarily evenly parted. I like to just use my finger to part down the hair, pull it around. It's fast, it's quick, it gives its own kind of unique style. And then we added these little Invisibobs at the end, which I love how it gives the texture to the very ends of it without making it look too neat and too perfect.
Nice. Okay, and to help us out, because you know what, dads are starting to do the daughter's hair. What kind of braid is this called?
So this is just your basic French braid.
French braid. All right, gentlemen, French braid. Okay, there we go.
Listen, I saw that men can now take a class on how to do their daughter's hair in that. I've seen that on the internet. It's really pretty cool. So most people can do this, parents or kids, which is great to do that.
And what's really nice is that when she puts on this hat, it still looks kind of stylish when you get a big hat.
So
there you go.
If you want that sun protection and protect your hair, you can put on a big hat like this, and you'll have some of these sticking out, and that's where your little sun protection stuff is going to come in. And you're going to want to take it, and you're just going to want to spray them like this. Spray your braid like this, and that's going to give it that almost like you put sunblock on your hair.
Yeah.
So whatever is exposed as far as hair goes, you can spray that down, and you have that protection there.
And I like the fanny pack because when you just put it in there, it makes it look so that way you can carry it around.
Well, and also, you know how we have so many venues now, you have to have clear.
Right.
So now it's in like backpack form, but it's also, you can hike in this or you can walk in it, whatever, and you can put all your little fun stuff in here, your pins, your little bobs, your little ponytail holders. Pins are good because if your hair starts to fall down, like you can see she has these natural short pieces, and you want it out of your way, you're sweating a little bit, take your pins, have them in your little bag, and just pin them out of the way.
Okay, and then now we have our young model, Amelia, over there, that we're going to give her a, what kind of top bun?
Yeah, we're going to do a top bun.
A top bun?
And I want to use this serum, see how shiny it is on her hair. Because what's going to happen is, especially with a girl her age who really loves to brush her hair a lot, right, Mom? This will get through it and kind of detangle it at the same time. And then give it a little brush there, Amelia, with your brush. So you're just going to brush the product right through. And then probably the easiest thing for her is going to be to flip her head upside down for me. Can you do that without falling off the chair? I think you can.
Can you flip your head?
Just a little bit. There you go. Just like that. There, just perfect like that.
There it is. You know, Amelia actually brushes her hair each morning 100 times, like Jan Brady on the Brady Bunch. Marsha.
You got to know your Bradys better, man.
One of them was brushing their hair 100 times.
So we're going to pull all of this up, and this is something that Amelia can even do on herself. And you've noticed a little tiny brush I have, which is perfect for a little tiny girl like her. And Amelia's got such fantastic hair. It's thick, and that's going to carry this bun so much better.
I like it. All right, as you're doing that, where can people find out more about the Hot Girl Summer Walk? Hot Girl Summer Walks? Just go to Hot Girl Summer Walks? No.
There's actually a Facebook group.
Facebook group?
All right. It's called City Girls Walk PHX.
City Girl Walk PHX.
And every Sunday they walk a different park.
All right. Every Sunday walk a different park. All right. I like that. There you go. And then of course, Miss Brenda, where can they find out more about all hairstyles, everything you're doing? Because you got a great podcast that you do.
Yeah. Well, at my Instagram at Brenda D'Usseaux, and then you can also reach me at Zoltan's Salon, which is in North Scottsdale. I'm going to use a load of our pins, and we're just going to pin this up, and that's how you can reach me. Thank you, my dear.
There you go.
Yeah.
And there we look at that.
And look and see with her thick hair, like you can get a big bun, a little bun, but look at that, just like 3 pins, a little Invisibob. And she could actually wear this to a kind of an event too, not just walk. But look how fun that looks.
Wear it all day. I like it. All right, there you are.
Awesome.
We got the buns, we got the ponytails, we got the walk going. We got all that for you, thanks to Brenda. So, all right, more mix after this.